$1,700. That's one driveway sealing job, and you parked on it this morning without even seeing it probably. 30 years on job sites taught me to see money hiding in plain sight, and today I'll show you 6 hustles, every one visible from your front porch. And number 5, you can start it tonight from your garage with the stuff you already own. Tack weld that like button for me, and let's get into it. Real quick, make sure and get your free 2026 resource guide. It's down in the description. Grab it later. But first, here's the rules of the video. Here's the game. Every hustle on this list has to pass one test. You can see it from your front porch right now. No app, no course, no franchise fee. And one more rule. I've covered side hustles before, right? Pressure washing, junk removal, detailing, snow plowing, all of it. So today, nothing repeats. 6 fresh ones, all hiding in plain sight. And here's why blue collar guys win this game. Regular people see a driveway. You see condition, wear, neglect, work that needs doing. 30 years on job sites trains your eyes to spot what's broken. And today, we point those out on your own street. Number 1, you literally parked on it this morning. Driveway sealing and crack repair. Homeowners pay $500 to $1,700 to seal a 2-car driveway. The labor, pressure prep, crack fill, then roll or spray the sealer. A weekend warrior with trade hands, he can learn it fast. And here's why it hides in plain sight. Because every driveway in America is quietly dying. Freeze-thaw cycles, ice melt chemicals, sun. Here in the Midwest, winter eats unsalted concrete alive, and almost nobody seals on schedule. So every street you drive down is a row of unsold jobs. Now, the trade guy edge. Concrete work scares homeowners. It doesn't scare you. You already understand surface prep, and prep is the entire job. The sealer costs $30 to $80 a gallon, and a gallon covers 200 to 500 square feet. So run that math. The material costs on $600 job, maybe $150. And here's the genius part. Cracks. Crack repair is a niche most contractors ignore. Too small for them. Too scary for the homeowners though. So sell the crack fill alone or bundle it with a seal. And sealing repeats. Every 2 or 3 years, that same driveway, it calls you back. Your first customer, you parked on it. Seal your own. Take before and after photos. That's your whole portfolio. Number 2, 12 feet to your left. Guys, real quick, I've put together a totally free 2026 blue collar resource guide I mentioned earlier, and it's got links to getting started in union jobs, free apprenticeships, and grants to start up your own small business and much more. It covers all 50 states, and it's totally free, my gift to you. Just hit the link down in the description and grab your copy today. And while you're at it, tap that subscribe button and that notification bell for me. It's also free to you, and it helps us bring fresh videos every single week for you. I sure appreciate it. Now let's get into number 2. Look in the garage real quick, guys. That gray oil stained slab, homeowners pay $1,200 to $2,400 to coat it per garage. And here's the dirty secret driving the demand. The $200 box store kits, they fail. They peel inside of a year or two. Why? Because the coating isn't the job, the prep is the job. Grinding or etching the concrete so the epoxy actually bonds. Homeowners, they usually skip the prep and it peels. Then they pay a pro to do it right. That pro, that can be you. Think about who's watching this. If you've ever prepped a surface for paint, mud, or coating, you already have the discipline this job pays for. One garage is one weekend. Saturday, you can clear it, grind it, patch it. Sunday, coat it and broadcast the flake and top coat. $1,200 minimum for 2 days in a dry, shaded garage. Not too bad, huh? Compare that to what your body does from Monday to Friday. In the market, your entire subdivision. Every house has a garage, and every garage has a naked slab. Guys are turning garages into gyms, shops, and man caves. And the floor is the first upgrade usually. Start with your own floor. It becomes your showroom. Every neighbor who sees it asks the same question. Who did that? You did. Number 3, that's the sneaky one. You can see it from your porch, but you've never once thought about it. So number 3, see that little flap on the side of every house, that dryer vent? Behind it is a tube packed with lint, and lint is kindling. Clogged dryer vents cause thousands of house fires every year. That one sentence is your entire sales pitch. You're not selling cleaning, you're selling fire prevention. And peace of mind buys fast. The startup cost is a joke. A rotary brush kit and a shop vac or drill, a couple $100 tops, and you might have it in your garage. The job takes 30 to 60 minutes. Guys charge $100 to $150 per house. Do the hourly math on that and try not to smile. Now that plain sight part, every house with a dryer has one. Every single house, and nobody even thinks about it. Insurance companies and fire departments literally beg people to clean them, and almost nobody does. But here's the word that matters: annually. This is a route business. Clean 50 vents this year, and the next year, those same 50 houses, guess what? They're due again. You're not hunting customers forever. You're building a list that reorders itself. HVAC guys, this one's basically cheating for you, but any trade hand can run it well. Bundle it with number 4 and you've got a same street double header. Speaking of number 4, look at your neighbor's roof real quick. Number 4 is solar panels. Over 4.2 million America homes now have them. And an average of 25 to 30 panels per roof, that's over 100 million panels bolted to houses. Now here's the number that nobody tells the homeowners. Dirty panels can lose up to 30% of their output. I'm talking about dust or pollen, bird traffic. The homeowner paid 20 plus grand for that system maybe, and it's quietly running a discount because nobody's washed it. You see where this is going? Solar panel cleaning is one of the newest, emptiest niches in home services. The equipment is simple. The ionized water system, soft brushes on poles, safety gear, the pitch sells itself. You're losing money on your own roof, and I can prove it with your utility app. Before and after production numbers are huge here, guys. The customer can literally watch the return. Now, real talk, this is roof work. Ladder safety and insurance are non-negotiable on this one, guys. But if you're comfortable at height, this is soft, clean daylight work, and it recurs. Panels don't stay clean. One heavy solar neighborhood becomes a route, just like the dryer vents did. All right, that's 4 hustles you can see standing still. Now, number 5, the one from the hook, so hold tight. Because number 5 is different from everything so far. No customers required to start, no ladder, no weather, and you can start it tonight from your garage with stuff you already own. And your trade experience isn't just helpful here, it's an unfair advantage regular people, they can't copy. It's 30 seconds away. First, check this out. You know, one thing I've learned after decades of working around hardworking people, most folks aren't afraid of putting in the work. They'll spend 30 or 40 years building a career, saving for retirement, and trying to do everything the right way. But here's the part a lot of people put off: making sure all of that hard work is actually protected. Because the reality is, most retirement accounts are still heavily tied to the stock market. So when the market takes a hit, your retirement could take one too. Now, I'm not saying you should move everything, that's a personal decision. But a lot of people are at least looking into whether having a portion of the retirement backed by physical gold makes sense. That's why I partnered with Augusta Precious Metals. What I like is they don't press you into anything. They take the time to explain how a gold IRA works. They answer your questions and help you decide whether it's a fit for you in your own situation. If you've been thinking about protecting what you've spent a lifetime building but just haven't looked into it yet, now's probably a good time to get informed. Click the link down in my description or text JV Charles to 35052 to get Augusta's free guide. I've done my homework on Augusta before recommending them, guys. They are the best overall gold IRA company 4 years running, and that's why I'm comfortable pointing you in their direction. Learn how it works, ask your questions, and make the decision that's right for you. All right, number 5, open your garage. Number 5 is tool flipping. So here's the play. A Milwaukee M18 impact driver shows up at an estate sale for $40. It lists on eBay or Marketplace for $120 to $150. That's not a fluke. Used power tools reliably flip at 40 to 80% margins. The sweet spot, $75 to $300 a tool. Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, you guys know the brands. They're the ones you trust, right? Now here's why you win this game and the average flipper loses it. He can't tell a burned up drill from a barely used one, but you can in 5 seconds. You know how a worn chuck feels. You know how a tired battery sounds. You know which model year matters. Your 30 years of tool abuse is a certification the other guy can't buy. That's the unfair advantage. So where do you hunt for these things? Estate sales, garage sales, auctions, pawn shops, marketplace itself. Retiring tradesmen sell whole collections cheap sometimes. And start with $300 to $500 and buy quality brands below market. Test everything, photograph honestly, and sell local for the heavy stuff. And the best part, the education is free. You already paid for it with your career in the skilled trades or blue collar job. All right, one more hustle, and this one's hiding in your pocket. Number 6, your phone. And before you skip this one, this is not becoming an influencer. So hear me out. Tool brands and home service companies pay something called UGC, user generated content. It's short, real videos of the product used by a real person. They post it on their pages, not yours. You need 0 followers, 0 fame. You don't even need to show your face if you don't want. Half these videos are just hands and voice. Creators pay $50 to $150 per video. And here's the plain sight part. The hardest thing for a tool brand to fake is you. Calloused hands, a real garage, a guy who holds a tool like he's used one before. The internet is drowning in pretty people faking it. Brands are actively hunting for the real thing. There are marketplaces for this. Collabster, Influy, platforms like them. You set your own rates and pitch on campaigns. Film 3 sample videos this weekend with your tools you already own. Your work boots are your portfolio. And one more layer. Amazon's influencer program pays commissions when your review video plays on a product page and somebody buys it. You record it once and get paid on repeat. Your trade skills on your camera from your garage. How great is that? That's the whole hustle. All right, 6 hustles, 90 seconds on running them right, because there's a difference between side cash and a real operation. There's 5 rules, so make sure and run it right. Rule 1, set a trip minimum, $100 to $150 just to show up, and it makes every job worth leaving the house. Rule 2, photos are your marketing department, before and after shots. Every job, every time, a sealed driveway next to a cracked one sells the next 3 driveways on that street. Rule 3, get insured. Basic liability is cheap. One claim without it, it's not. Protect the license and the name. They're worth more than any single job. Rule number 4, fish where the fish are. Next door and neighborhood Facebook groups are the #1 customer source for every hustle on this list. One happy homeowner tells 3 neighbors, and 3, they tell 10. You see what I'm saying? Rule 5, and this is the big one, pick 2. 1 hands hustle, 1 leverage hustle, and seal driveways on Saturdays. Flip tools on Tuesday nights or something. The hands hustle pays now. The leverage hustle scales quietly. That's how side money becomes a second income instead of a second job. Let's make it real. 1 month in conservative numbers, say you pick driveway sealing as your hands hustle. 2 driveways this month, weekend jobs, $600 each after materials. That's $1,200. Add 4 dryer vents on the same street, that's $125 each, $500 more. Now your leverage hustle, 3 tool flips, Tuesday nights on Marketplace, $80 average profit each, $240. And 2 UGC videos filmed in your garage, say $150 each, that's $300. So add it up, $2,200 or more in 1 month, part-time without touching your day job. Now run it forward. The driveway refer neighbors. The vents come due next year. The flips get faster as your eye sharpens. The videos become a rate card. That's the difference between side cash and a system. It's the same hours. It's just a different trajectory. And stretch it to a year, $2,200 a month is over 26 grand. That's a new truck paid in cash. That's your debt gone. That's a down payment on something from your own street, on your own schedule. Nobody gave it to you. Your eyes just found it from your front porch. So here's an example of a launch pad. This weekend, Saturday morning, pick your 2. 1 hands, 1 leverage, and just don't overthink it, guys. Pick the 1 trade you're already trained for. Saturday afternoon, do your free version. Seal your driveway, coat your garage floor, clean your dryer vent, photograph everything before and after. That's your portfolio, and it costs you just materials. Sunday morning, set up shop. A next door post, a Facebook page, 10 minutes each, and post the photos. Name your trip minimum. Sunday afternoon, go hunting. Hit 2 estate sales or scroll Marketplace for underpriced tools, or film your first 3 samples with tools you own. By Sunday night, you have a portfolio, a storefront, and inventory. You can get out there and get it, guys. The total money spent, maybe $200. Most guys will watch this, nod, and do nothing. And I've been there, guys. The street doesn't pay those guys, though. It pays the ones who get out there and get it. So set a phone reminder right now, Monday, 7 a.m., 3 words, did I move on this? So stand on that porch one more time, guys. The same view as this morning, different eyes. The driveway is $1,700. The garage floor is $2 grand. The neighbor's panels are losing 30%. The tool shelf is inventory, and your phone is your paycheck. Nothing out there changed. You did and what you saw. That's what hiding in plain sight means. The money was always on your street, waiting for somebody with trained eyes and working hands. That's you, so pick two and start this weekend, guys. And make sure you check out the 2 videos I recommend on the end screen and all the videos here on JV Charles TV. We cover all kinds of blue-collar side hustles, blue-collar careers, skilled trade careers, and much more. I'm JV. Thanks for hanging out with me and checking out the video. We'll see you on the next one.